cranky. She's getting cranky. Made it to the cabin. The pool looks so tiny. I feel like our house pool is bigger. But let's check it out. Oh, this is fancy schmancy. Oh, wow. I love those doors. If I build a house, I'm gonna have that kind of doors. Oh, look at this kitchen. There I am. I look all shabby from the car. Oh, that's okay. Ooh, this is a very modern cabin. Wow. Hi, Mama. Okay, I don't trust anywhere we're going down.
What?
Anywhere where we're going down. I've seen Silence of the Lambs a little too much. Careful with my baby. We're definitely not getting the room down here.
I shouldn't be down here either.
That's true. Maybe Hannah should get the upstairs one.
Yeah, we can not bring the downstairs one.
Oh, wow. What is this? How do you... Oh, nice.
Shuffleboard and towels. Well, I'm on my
My mom got a definitely game.
Yeah, there's plenty of beds available.
So I'm guessing that's probably her room.
Yeah, I think my mom and dad said they were gonna stay in the game room. So that'd be their room.
What, that one? Or this one?
The game room.
Oh, they don't have to.
You wanna sleep there?
I mean, I don't really care where we sleep, but I know Hannah can go up these stairs.
First drive.
Okay.
They're all closed.
Okay. Let me think.
Layla Berea, where?
They cheated though. They took like
3 hot tub.
Hot tub is what it was.
Did you get hot tub? Yeah.
Two bros chilling in a hot tub, 5 feet apart because they're not gay.
But when y'all bros, my daughter is okay. Oh my baby. Knock it up.
Remy, bring it to me.
Get it, Remy.
Bring it to me, Remy.
She's
Get it,
getting
Ruger.
swimming.
Get it.
No, don't be barking.
Good girl. Bring it here, Remy. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Good girl.
You failed, Ruger.
Good girl.
You failed.
No, you're...
Oh.
No,
she
what
gets it.
a loser.
Good girl.
He just yanked it out of her mouth.
Good girl.
Yeah, Remy.
Come on. Yeah, come here.
She's like, nope, 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 nope.
Ew, what?
You keep swimming.
There's a June bug on
I
me.
like the water.
She ate a June bug.
My legs are killing me. And I wore the wrong shoes.
Yeah, you should wear actual shoes.
You live and you learn.
You should have already learned this. You've come to Brunaville many times.
Steep.
Get sharp.
Yep. You know what I meant. It's giving, it's giving wrong turn vibes. A sad moment when you're trying to clean the pool, but you broke the net. Great. Well, so I'm trying to do this with one hand so I can record it. Really hard. I need those leaves to come closer. Let me see if I can get these with just one hand. Oh, got some. Ow! Stupid water bugs. But dead. But I think that's because of all the storms that have been happening. But I know summer will do her just right. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ugly nails. Ugly nails.
Está fresco, mija.
Sí,
Cuando está fresco afuera se siente fresco adentro con el aire.
anda así.
Yo creo que... Para, pa, 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 para.
Trying to avoid as many puddles as we can, but it's not working because my sandals are soaked. Great. Look at all these puddles. Jesus. Look at all the water, mamas. Look at all the water. Canelo. Come here. Hey, little buddy. Every time I want to film, my camera is about to die. How does that happen? But also, look at my beautiful background. Wait, 1 second. I got hair in my nose. Look at my beautiful background. I wish I could tell you this was a green screen. No, this is my backyard. And yes, I am very blessed to have this as my backyard. It's stunning. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give a little reading update. What? Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to give a little bit of reading updates. I'm reading A Second Life right now. Still reading it, by the way. Yes, I know it's been like a month, but I did go like 2-3 weeks without reading anything, so that's why. But I am still enjoying it. However, it has become a little too predictable for my liking. Like, every twist that happens, I kind of see coming. Like, I already knew it was going to happen. But I still have like 100 pages left. So I'm hoping that there's a twist at the very end that leaves me like gasping, you know? Like Shutter Island type of twist, like at the very end of the movie. If you've seen Shutter Island, you know what I'm talking about. That type of twist, because I've never had a twist that big, let me tell you. When I saw that movie, I was like, wait, what? Also, Fight Club. that's another movie that when I watched it, I was like, wait, what? Yeah. If you've seen those movies, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, yeah, I'm still working on it. I am 100 pages. I have 100 pages left. So I'm gonna try to knock this baby out today, hopefully. And then I know that I was gonna choose a non-fiction and a fiction book to read. That's what I said in my last video. But actually, I just want to read one video, and my second video to just be my Bible, because I'm really trying to get back on reading my Bible. And if I'm already reading two books, I know that I'm not gonna read my Bible. So yeah, I'm just gonna work on one book, and then my second book will be my Bible, because I am trying to get back into my faith and, like, you know, getting closer to God. Lord knows we all need Jesus at this moment. This world's a little too wicked. But anyways, as you saw in the beginning of this video, we did go on a road trip. It was just a short little road trip. We went to Oklahoma to a cabin in the woods. I've also seen that movie. That movie is so stupid. Have you ever seen Cabin in the Woods? Oh, that movie is so stupid. I cannot believe it. And it's so bad because it looks like it's really promising at the beginning, and then it just is stupid. Like at the very end, it's just stupid. Oh my god, I get so sidetracked. Why am I talking about? Oh, yes, sorry. Going back, we went on a road trip. It was super nice. It was super chill. All we did was like play games, listen to music in the hot tub, go on walks, and then we went out to eat. Then we came back home. And then I haven't really been filming when we got back because, I don't know, I guess the trip just threw me into a loop to where I was like, I'm not gonna do nothing. And that's literally all I did. Nothing. So I'm trying to get back into the rhythm that I had before. So yeah. Also, I have been obsessed with slow living content. And I think I might make one, because the reason why I am obsessed with it is because it resembles so much of my life. Like, they just film it. Like, literally the things I do, but they just film it. So maybe I'll start doing that, because I actually do have a pretty slow life. I have a pretty slow, boring, relaxing, is calm, is peaceful, we're vibing life. Like, nothing out of the ordinary happens in my life, and it's just the way that I like it. I feel like I am so blessed to, first of all, live out here, because, I mean, look at this. And second of all, to have like a little bubble of like peacefulness and calmness that surrounds me at all times is, honestly, I never dreamt about what my future would look like, but I am so happy the way it turned out. Anyways, I'm rambling. That was my little update that I have for you guys today. I'm gonna keep on reading, try to knock this book out. I probably would just sit out here for the rest of the day because it's so beautiful to be inside. Too beautiful to be inside. So yeah, thank you. Bye.